Om Shanti. Today is the perfect day. Teach your mind daily this line that today is the perfect day. Because mind is so powerful that whatever you teach, it will start absorbing it, revising it, learning it. And after some time, mind itself will start saying it that today is the perfect day. And it's all about believing, isn't it? We all have heard this line that what we believe, we see. So let's believe that today is the perfect day. See, what we are doing when we are believing or teaching this line to our mind, we are actually releasing ourselves from questioning the scenes which are going to unfold today. And when we are not questioning, that means we are not getting trapped in the scene. And we are actually releasing ourselves from getting hurt, from having the feeling of victimized. We are able to explore a new way to come out of the scene or to handle the scene. For example, there are a lot of things which we are handling daily. Two kind of scenes, like scenes which are regular, means which are daily, or scenes which are new to us, or you can call it a change scene. Regular scenes, for example, people we live with, people we work with, their habits, their ways of behaving, their ways of being, how they behave, what they think. Regular scenes. How much it is different from us, how much, even if it's opposite from us, it is perfect. Second, the situations. For example, your physical health, your relationships, your career, your education. Just one word that it is perfect. Or even the new scene, which you're not even aware about it, which you're not even prepared of it. Again, for that new scene as well, just say that it is perfect. Because when you say that it is perfect, you're actually listening to the core deeper side of yours, because somewhere down the deeper side of your own mind, your mind knows that people are what they are, situation is what it is. Actually, it's not the negative line, it's an understanding. It's an understanding that people are what they are, situation is what it is perfect according to, it is perfect for this moment, according to or based upon my own karmic carry forwards. So it is perfect. And when we say it is perfect, we are releasing ourselves from that karmic baggage to overpower our present. Our present. And presently, we are able to explore our own perfect sanskars of knowledge, of understanding, of peace. So, throughout the day, we just need to remember that whatever is outside is perfect, is not the negative side. It's an understanding that it is perfect based on my own karmic baggages, my own karmic carry forwards. And it's not always weaker side. Sometimes things happen to us, or majority times things happen to us which are good. So to every scene it is perfect, because it's an understanding that it is my own karmic carry forward. So with this, we do not allow our past karmic carry forward to block our present high elevated choices. So just throughout the day, we just need to remember this line that everything happening is perfect, because I know what is the meaning of perfect right now. And next, I am using my powerful sanskar. So whenever the thought come that why with me, do not retain it even for a second. Just tell yourself it is perfect and I am a powerful being. Nothing wrong can happen to me. Second, whenever the thought come that why they are not understanding to me, again, again, it is perfect, and I know that we both are having different set of sanskars. This is an understanding. And whenever, again, some future anxiety or tension, like what will happen, how my job will be now, education, career, relationship, just tell yourself that I am a pure being working with my values. Success is for me. कई बार अपने आप को बोलना है.